दोस्तों जब इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंट हुआ था तो नेहरू जी ने एक स्पीच दी थी और उस स्पीच का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट था कि ट्रस्ट विद द डेस्टिनी फॉर इंडियंस आफ्टर getting independence. Now today I am making you to have tryst with the history and single biggest human step in the history of the mankind. The picture before me is of Neil Armstrong when he landed on the moon, and this was his uniform. This is the picture which has been taken, Alden Armstrong, and this is what has been displayed in American Museum, and this is further detail about this mission, and this is the uniform of Neil Armstrong. This is the this is the uniform, and this is, and that is one small step for man, one giant leap for the mankind. This is what was mentioned about those steps. I think single biggest step in the history of the mankind. And now see, this is the capsule, an Apollo 11 command capsule, in which Neil Armstrong came to Earth. That means this is the small capsule wherein he was sitting and came to the earth. And this was moved to different states, all 50 states of America. And in 1970-71, this was transferred to the museum for preservation and display. Now have a look. This is where he was sitting and landed onto the earth. Unbelievable. You cannot believe that this small capsule can carry him from space to the earth. And here the complete details are given how it had come down. Crew compartment, forward compartment, so many things were there. And it says Michael Collin, Apollo astronaut, best ship to come down the line. God bless.
Rice University Stadium, Texas, on
So
September 12,
this is
1960.
the tryst with the destiny of the mankind, which I thought I should connect you with. So thank you.